Hey my loves, welcome back for another video. Today we're going to be working with this Deep Wave 360 lace wig, and of course she came courtesy of RPGHair. Now this is what she looks like on the inside, bleached knots. There is a comb missing if you notice right here, not sure what happened there, but everything else checks out and looks amazing. Mind you, I don't use those combs anyway. I'm going to remove the wig I had on before with none other than alcohol. This is your regular rubbing alcohol. You guys seen before, the wig was not gonna move or bulge without ripping out my sideburns. I literally just dab a little bit of alcohol, then I clean up the area of my forehead for my next install, and we are good to go. Mind you, I am pregnant, so I am kind of infatuated with the smell of alcohol. Hashtag don't judge me. This is what she looks like on. I went ahead and cut off the ear-to-ear excess lace in the back of the wig. And as you guys can see, she now fits me perfectly. You don't want to wait to cut the excess lace off because obviously you won't be able to cut it off with the wig on by yourself. Now if you part through, you can see the parting is amazing. The knots are bleached and all of that. I tried using a razor to go ahead and cut off the lace, but it just looked like it was getting jagged and messy. I'm not sure if I should have a fresh one. I've tried this quite a few times and I just feel like I keep going back to the scissors because the scissors never fail me. Next up, I'm just going to pull back the entire lace wig and I'm just going to apply a little bit of my adhesive. You guys know my favorite is the Got to Be Glued spray. Everything I use in this video will be linked in the description box, but I'm just going to go ahead and apply that. I let it get tacky for maybe about 15 to 20 seconds and then I apply the entire wig to my hairline. I've got a big forehead, so luckily for me, I guess the benefit of that is that I don't have to apply the lace onto my hairline, so I don't have to risk pulling out my natural hair, and this is definitely a bonus for me because I wear wigs so often. Next, I went ahead and cleaned up the area with alcohol because you don't want any of that cakiness on the hairline of any glue or any adhesives. And then I'm going to go ahead and make baby hair. Foam lotion is the way to go for me. I do not use edge control the way I used to, although I'm always open to using it and I kind of try to go back every now and again and try it. But foam lotion just seems to be the best way to get a flawless finish without any like cakiness, gelness, glueness, hot messness. I don't even know what word I'm looking for, but it just looks the best on me. Also, I find when using textured hair, especially curly hair, and in this case deep wave hair, I feel like having baby hair is just a must for me. I don't know what it is, but it just looks so much better. This wig, I believe, did come pre-plucked, and as you guys can see, you can definitely go in and customize more for a more arrogant slay. But I kind of just wanted to keep it natural and as it was, and kind of just not necessarily want to thin it out. Kind of was going for a more of a Beyonce slay, where you never really see her wigs plucked, for the gods like you do someone on Instagram. And trust me, I like it both ways, but sometimes you gotta switch it up. Let me know down below, do you guys prefer baby hair or no baby hair? I definitely prefer baby hair, as I said before, with curly and wavy textures. It just makes it flow much more for me. Now this one did come pre-parted with the center part, and for some reason I opted for a side part, probably because I've been doing center parts for so long or so often recently. But I want to go ahead and make sure that that parting sticks and does not revert back to the way it was. So I did add a little bit of wax, and I'm going to just go ahead and work that in so that it's not just sitting on top. And then of course, tried and true, my flat iron. I'm going to use this on the roots just near the parting, not in the entire frontal or closure, because I don't want to take away from the texture, but I personally find that on me, I cannot do a wig where it's curly from root to tip and nothing is flat without it looking like a wig sitting on top of my head. It has to kind of be flat and flush a little bit more for it to look right on me personally. Now I'm going to do my lazy wash and go, or just really just style the curls. Now normally we want to wet the hair. This is going to make it so that you don't have to use a lot of product. Even a step further, go ahead and co-wash the wig, because obviously that's the most sanitary thing to do because this is a new wig. But I kind of feel like my lazy style, I typically just use a cheap mousse This one is from Tresemme, and I find that it's only like $3, so I don't mind, you know, going ham and using a lot. And I just work that in, and I'm going to seal this with a serum as well. And this prevents me from having to use water again because I am using a lot. The benefit of using a lot of the foam is that I don't have to use it anymore for a few days. Tomorrow, whenever I restyle my hair, I can really add water and it'll just bring back the product. But I am someone who does not enjoy wet hair, so I kind of just feel like whenever I wear curly hair, the reason I don't wear it on a daily basis is mainly because I hate having to wake up in the mornings and just wet the hair and have wet hair for a while. Don't know why that is, but it kind of just, it's a trigger for me in a way. So this is my way of being able to have a curly hairstyle without having to walk around with wet hair, so to speak. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a powder to the parting. What I use is linked in the description box, as I said before. And if I did not mention, this wig is 18 inches in length and 180% density. Everything felt like it was true to length and texture and, you know, density. I had no issues with the wig whatsoever. Also, because I did not co-wash this wig, you will find that once you co-wash it, the wave and the texture will definitely loosen up. It won't go straight by any means, but it definitely will be a more soft, more natural wave. But sometimes I like to enjoy the wig as it comes first. And then when this gets old, you know, you co-wash it and get it ready for a new look by having the waves kind of soft up a little bit. Now, because I did add so much powder to the parting, I kind of want to set it just like you would set your makeup so it's just not sitting on top powdery. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.